Here's how to make your own note system for feedbacking straight in World. Starting with the actor we use for the notes. In construction script, updating the text from the details panel. Overlaps here, highlighting when close. Get preview text basically cuts down the text in World if too long, but displays it in full when opened. Fit text to background works to fit the text to the panel. Open edit bar shows the edit widget, sets focus on it. Close edit bar does the opposite. Then saving related functions so data can persist after the game is stopped. Then the save game class, very basic. The widget that allows to edit the notes whilst the game is running. Making sure to add some way to trigger this, in this case from the player. A small widget to help with entries for when you search, as well as finding notes in World. And lastly, the manager itself, where save persistence happens, also the search logic. Now, let's check how everything's working. Tune in every 2 weeks for more quick tips and tricks for Unreal Engine 5. Thanks for watching!